Okay, so if I want finer control over my animation now, I can swap over from the dope sheet, which can sort of control timing and keyframes, over to my curve sheet. And this is where I can change the sort of ease in and ease out motion of this object. You might not see it by default, so you can pan around with middle mouse button on the scene or press F key to focus in on your animation set clip. And you see this graph here represents my motion along the z-axis of rotation. So left to right is time, up and down is the amount of change, essentially in this case, rotation of that particular object. So I can make it happen faster by moving the keyframe left. I can make it happen slower by moving the keyframe right. I want to change that ease in and ease out. So by default, it sort of has this nice gentle introduction to the animation and gentle ease out or end there. So I can grab the Bezier curves and just tweak them manually, like so. If you wanted more automatic control, what I could do, for example, is shift select both these keyframes, right click, and then I could do some automatic adjustments here. In this case, maybe I want to make both curves on either side of these keyframes linear to create a completely linear motion between this keyframe and that keyframe. If I'm not happy with that and I want to bring back my Bezier handles, I could change to, say, auto or free smooth, for example, and I'll bring back my Bezier curves. I can go ahead and manually tweak that once more.